Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I have my TradingView chart set up. Without further ado, let's get it started. So let's start from the beginning. On the screen right now, this is what you get when you first open TradingView. Because this strategy demands that I trade 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning, I change the theme to black just to make it easy on my eyes. So you right click on the chart, then go to color theme, then change it to dark. Now you get rid of the volume indicator by clicking the X here. Then to get rid of the lines, you right click and then go to settings, then click on appearances. Go to the vertical and horizontal grid lines and change their opacity to 0%. Now to get your correct time zone, you go back to settings, go to symbol, then change your time zone to the one that you're going to be trading in. Now here you go. If you've watched the previous videos, you should already know how to add the indicators I use. That brings us to the end of this short video. See you on the next one.